the Japanese particle ka can be used in the phrase A ka B to express alternatives or possibilities. You may also hear people use an extra ka at the end, as in A ka B ka. And you can also use this phrase with more than two options, as in A ka B ka C ka D, and so on. Let's look at some examples. おばあちゃんは殺人か強盗で捕まったそうだけど、どっちだったっけ？おばあちゃんは殺人か強盗で捕まったそうだけど、どっちだったっけ？ I hear Grandma was arrested for either murder or robbery, but which was it? In this sentence, the phrase A ka B is used, with the first disjunct being 殺人 murder, and the second disjunct being 強盗 robbery. This phrase implies that it is either one or the other, and not both. You may also add an additional ka after the second disjunct, as in 殺人か強盗か. Second example. おじいちゃんが生きているか死んでいるかわからない。おじいちゃんが生きているか死んでいるかわからない。I don't know whether Grandpa is alive or dead. In this sentence, the phrase A ka B ka is used with an extra ka. The first disjunct is 生きている alive, and the second is 死んでいる dead. In this case, you can't omit the second ka, as the verb phrase わからない takes a subordinate clause with ka as its complement, as in 何々かわからない. Third example. お母さんは月曜か火曜か木曜に処刑される予定だ。お母さんは月曜か火曜か木曜に処刑される予定だ。Mom will be executed on either Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday. In this sentence, there are three disjuncts, 月曜、火曜、木曜. You may also add an additional ka after 木曜, as in 月曜か火曜か木曜か. This is the end of today's episode. See you in the next video.